Hey guys, this video is designed to show you the correct place to put the scissor jack that you have on board in the trunk of your 1990 all the way up to 2005 Mazda MX-5, Miata, and Eunos Roadster. So that's what the scissor jack looks like. And I've got the area marked where it's supposed to go. I'm going to zoom you in here. So in between those two little bumps, there's a reinforced part. So right in the center of the frame right now, that's the part where this thing is supposed to go. So let me just set this up for you. There we are. So this piece right here corresponds with the slot in the scissor jack. And so you'll want to get that into there. I can wind it up by hand because this scissor jack's in good condition. And you'll want to get that to correspond right in the center of that. And you can see the car's already starting to lift, even with me just turning this by hand. So that's where it should be. You can tell. I'll give it to you from this angle here. And it's very important that you do it in the correct spot and you get it in between those two bumps, because those are the drains that drain any water that gets out of the rocker. So you don't want to squish those closed or damage them in any way. So once you've done that, then you take the crank handle, which is also in the trunk, and you insert it into the end of the jack right here. And that's how you raise and lower the car, like that. And that is the correct place to put the scissor jack that the car came with from the manufacturer. And that will get you a safe roadside tire change. And the other thing I wanted to quickly show you, just in case you're new to Miatas, is where that is located in the trunk. So this one here is a first generation Miata. You've got the handle perched right there on the left side of the trunk, or the boot if you're from the UK. That's where the jack lives. It's attached to the body of the car with this wing nut right here. That's that one. And then once that's out, you can lift this right out. So there you are. I hope that helps you if you're unsure of where to jack it up. And the other important thing is, once you have used the jack and you put it back in, you want to line things up perfectly. You can see the hole where the wing nut goes in. The jack is fully collapsed. It's been wound down all of the way. And then tighten this guy up right away so you don't lose it. I see a lot of these cars where the jack's missing, the handle's missing. People have left stuff at the side of the road or just taken it out of the trunk and forgot to put it back in. So you always want to put things away right away, and that way it's there for you when you need it. There we are. There you are. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll post more videos for you soon.